Lance, and I'm back with another video. I'm thinking about changing the channel to Lance's Audio Design, but you guys let me know. So we got this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Premier. This has a 392 engine in it, and we're gonna do some simple upgrades in it. So it's got the dope rag top, and I think, like I said, it's dope. It's got the red interior, Rubicon red interior with 392 engine. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, this car has the Alpine audio package in it, right here. And what's cool about the audio and with the Alpine is that it does have a pretty nice sound system. And with a nice sound system like this, only downfall to it is you can run out of bass. So there are a couple different ways that people try to address that. They upgrade the subwoofer to a new subwoofer, and hopefully that gives enough output. They might even add another amp to that subwoofer with a new woofer, but we're gonna go to the next level. So we're gonna take two Audison Milli Pro S10 250 S4 woofers. We're gonna get a custom box built by Automotive Entertainment in Huntington Beach, with some plexiglass and some cool stuff like that. We're gonna take the Audison SR 1.500. We're gonna probably locate that underneath the seat and give it the necessary output, or I should say boost, to give it the output we want it to do. So what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna relocate the amp underneath the seat, which is not complicated. We're gonna grab that signal from the back, and then we're gonna put a bass knob in here somewhere, which I don't know yet. We're gonna find someplace really inconspicuous and cool to add the bass knob. I'm not sure where it's gonna wind up, but we'll show you the video over that. Obviously run the wires. We're gonna run some new wires underneath this hood, and we're gonna build some fuse holder over here. So hopefully we'll make a mount for that. That way allows it to get its audio from there. So there's a lot of engine in here, which is really dope. So we're gonna get to work on this car. We're gonna pull the seat, nothing complicated. Make whatever rack we are gonna make, and run the wires to grab the signals we need. So stay tuned. We're gonna go and we're gonna put in two woofers in here, down firing. And here's the before. We also pre-ran all the wires. So this is the base wire, and then we also have some light wires. So go from this, and boom, the box is in. It's got acrylic here. It's really tight. It actually changes color, red, blue, green. You can see that done. It fits really nicely. Let's grab the remote. It has a remote in here. So with the remote, you have the options to do white lights, green lights, baby blue, yellow. You can also red, which would match the interior, and you can actually vary the colors. You can also do different modes or dances and stuff. It's pretty dope. You got that action. So you have all kinds of cool stuff. You can actually turn it off. So if he wants to use it, he can turn it on. It's tied into the car audio system. So it actually has a plug back here that allows you to unplug it if you need to. And also here, we're gonna put a bracket on it. It's gonna be permanently mounted. And if he wants to take it out, he can take it out with a couple screws, like 4 screws at least. But yeah, we'll put that bracket in. Then we put the amp underneath the seat. So you can see it here. We made a bracket. We took the vent out. We still got to put the cover on it. You may not be able to see it well, but we'll move the seat forward. We put a cover on there. We tightened everything, and all the wires are ran through the factory grommets down here. As you can see, they're here, up tight. Then we also ran into another challenge with this car. This car actually has an Alpine system. On the Alpine system, you're going to have 4 noise canceling mics in this vehicle. So what we had to do is disable them, and that's located on the white plug on the amplifier side, and there's 4 wires for that. So we grabbed the sub output, disabled the ANCs, and made this so it worked really well. This car is actually with that SR 1.500 and those two woofers, it bangs. So we ran our power wires here through. There's a grommet down here at the bottom. We just drilled a hole in that rubber plastic grommet, ran everything through the factory plastic here. So everything's going through here. And then we terminate everything here. We put a bolt. As you can see, we have a bolt here because there's only one bolt from the factory. Here's a fuse mount, so it's mounted. It's not going anywhere. And we'll get this car outside and let you listen to it once everything's all done. Once we get the woofer mounted and get everything squared away. So we got the bass on, tops up. See the window vibrating. The baseline should kick in a minute. Come on, come on. Put the bass knob over here, right here. That amp with these woofers, man, it's hard to sell somebody something else when you have something that bumps this hard, and a car with a drop top down firing